Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking speedboat trailer wheels. We just recently replaced the rims and tires on our boat trailer. We want to compare or show you the difference between the old and the new, and it's pretty substantial. Let's take a look. DIYers making our way outside. In front of us are the original from 1989 rims and tires, and they are in bad shape. The rim's very rusted, and the front portion or outer portion of the rim not as rusted as the inner portion. We will show you that here shortly. However, this tire alone, unfortunately, could not hold air for more than maybe a day, two tops, and dry rotted big time, as you see. The tread, very common that the tread will be perfectly fine, but the outer portion of the tires and inner portion of the tires or sidewall will show significant signs of aging, as you see right there. If your tires and rims look like this, DIYers, definitely time to replace them. Next, I spun the rims and tires around to the inner portion that you do not get to see on a regular basis and to the tire that always goes flat. The tire is so dry rotted and cracked all the way around. Terrible condition. Rim, very rusted. And look at this, just peeling away. Taking a big step back, in front of us is our 1989 Glassport 16-foot speedboat and trailer. And let's go to the brand new tires and rims. Look at those. The tires themselves are gorgeous. The brand new white painted rim is stunning. And scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comments and description, will be a link on how to properly and safely replace your rims and tires. We also greased the entire inner hub housing. That is extremely important for the overall life of your inner bearings and to alleviate a chance of the hub starting on fire. That's definitely not what you want. Back out front port side, and again, DIYers, in the event that your tires and rims look like ours do, well, it is long overdue for replacement.